retail, we all know that the impulse buy is so important to get our average dollar sale up, but everybody is doing the same thing. The little trinkets up at the front counter, the hair stuff, the little bracelets, the hanky-panky underwear. We've all done it. I've done it included, but guess what? I'm gonna give you my greatest idea yet on an impulse buy that will blow all of your other impulse buys out of the water, and it is proven because our customers love it. Hi, I'm Sarah Stonecipher with howtorunaretailstore.com, and today I'm gonna dive in to possibly one of my greatest retail hacks. It's our DIY foliage bar. You guys, who doesn't love a cute little succulent plant? Nobody. Everybody on the planet loves it for themselves as a gift. It is great, and you can do it as an impulse buy with this interactive activity. So we have created a foliage bar that people can come and choose their own vase and then choose from a wide variety of succulents, and they can take it home as is, and it's unkillable because it's fake. We are going to dive into my top 3 places of where we get all of these fun vases, and I'm telling you, you can do this inside of your store too. First is going to be Creative Co-op. They've been around forever. I love them because their pieces are earthy and interesting. You're gonna get vases like this that are beautiful and really go with any person that you could imagine's aesthetic, right? They have great, interesting textures and just all the way around, very clean aesthetic. Secondly, you guys know I love Faire.com. My 2 top favorite places to get all of these vases are actually on Faire. The first is called Home Art. Home Art does these really cool, larger vases like this. I mean, look at this vase, so dang cute. Also, things like this. That's a mermaid. No, that's a mermaid. Who doesn't love mermaids? Love, love, love it. And they are constantly putting new pieces out. They do drop collections. They even have ceramic little hangy things that you can put on your wall or in your car that matches all of these vases. We carry the entire line. Then thirdly, probably the one that we buy from the most is gonna be 47th and Main. So you can see we have these tiny little glazed pots. I have them in so many colors. I mean, we are restocking these little colors every single day. Reds and pinks and purples. I mean, look how cute that is. We sell these for $18, and I'm not kidding you. These are just a couple bucks wholesale, a couple of dollars. The margins on this are so good. And then people can pick one of these up, roll through our little foliage drawer and do something customizable. Another piece that I love from 47th and Main are the kitschis. You guys, this is really what I feel like draws people over here, are all the interesting pieces. I mean, this is a cat and this is a dog. We also have elephants and rhinoceroses, you name it. We have such cute, like, see, elephant, rhinoceros, such cute little pieces, and they're a couple of bucks. It draws people over, and everybody loves a succulent. It's one size fits all. So the impulse buys are through the roof. People come here now specifically knowing we have this DIY bar for gifts. That's why we put our lovely cards right next to it and offer free gift wrap. It has been so popular. And then the last piece of the puzzle, where do we get our succulents? You're gonna freak out when I tell you this. We just get them on Amazon. We get huge boxes of them on Amazon. So many different styles, everything you could imagine to put your little foliage pieces together. I am linking these in my Amazon storefront. If you have not been to my Amazon storefront, you guys, all the things that I talk about in these videos, yeah, 99% is from Amazon, and we have them linked in great little organizations on my Amazon storefront if you're looking for display ideas or things like this. Even everything we have to make our signature scent, if you haven't seen that video, we'll link it here, is on there. I even have my absolute all-time favorite retail book is on there as well. All right, that is it. I cannot wait to hear your reaction to my very outside of the box impulse buys, and I cannot wait to hear if you implement these into your own storefronts. As usual, like and subscribe. I love to hear from you guys, whether it's here on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram. I love chatting with you. It helps me figure out what kind of content to be putting on my YouTube. So don't ever hesitate to reach out, and we'll see you soon.